Hi, do you know the world's most fearless animal? Any guesses? Hey, I'm going to share something very interesting this time. So watch the video till the end and keep guessing. Hi, so did you find it out? The world's most fearless animal? Is it lion? Is it elephant? Is it a cheetah? Or a python? No. It's honey badger. Honey badger. Honey badger is like a mongoose. Okay. It's the most fearless animal in the world. It faces a lion boldly. It just stands in front of a lion boldly. What happens when we face a lion face to face? Some will die there itself, or some will try to run away. But this small creature stands boldly and faces a lion. You know why I'm trying to share this? Today's topic is, are you a victor or a victim? Many of us are giving excuses like, I am poor, I am sick, I am aged, I am weak, I lost my father, I lost my husband, I lost my parents, I am physically challenged, I am not educated, or complain, my friend cheated me, my company fired me, the government didn't support me, so on and so on. By crying with your problems, do you think anything can be changed? Do you think a problem will be solved? No. How will people see you when you cry with your problems? Just imagine somebody comes in front of you and they're just crying with the problems always. Will you have pity for them or respect for them? You'll have pity for them. And after some time, you don't want to listen anymore because you get fed up. Am I right? So when you get fed up, when people keep talking about their problems, this is what same happens when you talk about your problems to others. So stop talking about your problems and find a solution. So very simple. Do you want to earn respect or do you want to earn pity? Respect, right? Don't expect everything to be perfect. That's the biggest problem. If this would have been there, I would have been here. Or this would be perfect, I would have been here. These are excuses. Go and check back the history. All the so-called successful people have gone through challenges, have fought the tough fights, and that's the reason they are successful today. And that's where they earn the respect today. Every day, ask this question: what should I do to change the situation? What should I do today? Keep on asking, keep on asking, keep on asking, and suddenly you'll see the doors opening for you towards prosperity, towards success, towards abundance, towards happiness, towards joy. Because when you keep on asking the right questions, you get the right answers. But we ask the wrong questions, like, why this situation for me? Why this problem for me? Why I'm going to those challenges? Why? It's a negative question. And what do you get? You get negative answers. One of my favorite saying is, if you want to achieve what you have not achieved, become what you have not become. Yes. It is not easy. It is not easy. But if you want to achieve what you have not achieved, you need to do something very differently. You can't keep doing the same thing again and again and expect different results. So are you willing to change? Don't expect life to be easy. For anything to grow, there is a process, there is a pain. For example, if you want to build your muscles, you have to go through the pain while lifting the weights. Yes, it hurts, but that's where you build your muscles. Similarly, in your life, If you want to reach a higher level, you have to go through a pain. It hurts, but some people enjoy. And that's the reason they are successful. But many people say, oh, it hurts me, and they drop it. They surrender. And that's where they are failures. Dream big, achieve big, don't settle for less. Dream big, achieve big, don't settle for less. Let your competition be always with you on a daily basis. Am I growing compared to yesterday? My competition is only with me, not with others. Believe it or not, you will see a growth in every area of your life if you start competing with yourself. Again, I'm happy for those people who took my session, who believed in my program and took the session, and today they see a tremendous growth in their business, in their relationship, in their health, and overall peace. But on the other hand, there are some people still saying to me that, oh, I don't have that enough money to pay to take your session, or is there any reduction? They keep crying. End of the day, who is losing? It's you. Correct? As I keep saying again and again in all my videos, when you start talking about your problems, the energy becomes negative. So you're activating a negative energy, and by activating negative energy, the universe responds to you negative. And what happens? You get more problems. And this is what we do is we try to reprogram at the root level and change the thought process. By changing the thought process, that is making you positive, to make you think positive at the root level, you start to vibrate positive. The moment you vibrate positive, you attract more positive. Again, as I keep saying, this program is not for everybody. Anybody who wants to see a difference in their life. It's only for those people. Again, at the end, I want to ask one more question. Just imagine I have a check of 100 crores. Okay, date is not mentioned. When you want to mention the date? Now or later? The answer will be now. Correct? So if you really want to make a decision, you have to act now. Again, serious people take decision. Again, those who are serious to make a difference in their life, my numbers are flashing here. Please do call me. I'll be there to help you out. Again, as I keep saying, please share this video to as many people as you can so that many people will be benefited out of this program. Again, Wilfred Stanley signing off from Rapid Mind Power. Bye. Thank you. Have a great day.